Every pipeline is different, and high-velocity gas lines come with their own unique set of challenges. For cleaning pigs to perform at their best, speed control is key. But slowing the flow? That's not always an option. Reducing throughput means lost revenue, and less product delivered downstream. That's why Enduro developed Dynamic Speed Control 2.0, a compact, standalone solution that lets you maintain high gas flow while keeping pig speeds right where they need to be. So, what's the ideal speed? For cleaning, it's 2 to 5 miles per hour. For inline inspection, 3 to 6. Stay in that range and you get better cleaning, better data, and fewer reruns. DSC 2.0 lets your tools hit those target speeds without reducing flow. It's a smart solution for operators who need performance without sacrificing production. What makes it different? It's a compact unit that pairs high-performance cleaning with intelligent speed control. Developed with advanced 3D modeling and CFD engineering, it's built for real-world conditions. And the benefits? No need to reduce flow to achieve target speeds, improved ROI and less downtime from better data and fewer reruns, smart speed management that adapts to fluctuating line velocity, a compact, economical design that's easy to deploy. Perfect for high-flow systems where reducing throughput isn't an option. Here's the real difference. This tool exists because our customers asked for it. You needed a solution for high-flow pipelines, and we listened. Your input shaped the DSC 2.0, custom-built in Tulsa, Oklahoma, delivered fast, backed by experts who stay with you until the job is done. That's Enduro Pipeline Services, engineering tools for the real-world demands of today's pipeline operators. Get your quote today at enduropls.com.